This video covers everything we did in class today on Monday, May 10th or May 11th if you're in period 5. So if you're taking notes along with me, make sure you put that date in the top right corner of the page. And we're calling this lesson 6.7. These notes are going to be quick because today we reviewed exponents, and that's something that most of you covered in Mr. Howard's class. An exponent is a problem that looks like this: 4 to the third power. And that's how you would say this right here. 4 to the third power, or 4 to the third. 4 to the third has two components. The first component of this expression is the exponent. The exponent tells us how many times we are multiplying. The other component of this expression is called the base. The base tells us what we multiply. In this case, the base is 4. So, if we were solving this expression, we would write it like this: 4 to the third equals 4 times 4 times 4. Because again, our base is 4, that's what we're multiplying, and we need to multiply it 3 times because our exponent is 3. To multiply 4 times 4 times 4, we would simply multiply 4 times 4, which is 16. So we checked off our first two 4s. We got to multiply times that third 4. 16 times 4 is equal to 64. When you're using a calculator, you can always just type in 4 times 4 times 4. Let's do another example. Let's say that I had 5 to the fourth power. The first question I want to ask myself is, what is my base? What am I multiplying? I can see that my base is 5, so I'm multiplying 5. And my exponent is 4, which means I'm going to need 4 groups, or I should say 4 instances, 4 factors of 5. 5 times 5 times 5. And again, I would multiply 5 times 5. So I'll do my first two 5s, that's 25. I've got 2 5s left. I can multiply 25 times 5, which is 125. Got that third 5 taken care of. And then 125 times 5, which is going to equal 625. There are a few common mistakes to watch out for when you're using exponents. A first mistake that people often make is thinking that 4 to the third power is the same thing as 4 times 3. 4 to the third power means 4 times 4 times 4. It does not equal 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 4 groups of 3, or 3 groups of 4. Whereas 4 to the third power is 4 groups of 4 and 4 groups of 4 groups of 4. In other words, 4 times 4 times 4. Another common mistake that people make is they might accidentally think 4 to the third is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 4. Again, that would be an instance where we would use multiplication, 3 groups of 4. The exponent always indicates that you need to multiply the base however many times is indicated by that exponent. So to the third power, we multiply 4 times 4 times 4. Once you've watched this video, make sure you take a look at today's classwork, exit ticket, and homework. Those should provide you plenty of extra practice.